Servus, Mike. 2020 is over, so I think we should get ready for the 21 season. What do you think?
Of course, Pete. Last year we celebrated our first victory in Renault. Brad did an amazing race and he became the first KTM MotoGP winner. His all season was great. He became the Rookie of the Year, and actually this was the first title for KTM in the MotoGP.
A great season. We had pole positions, we had podiums, we had 2 great wins with Miguel. Yeah, I mean, this guy showed his huge potential, and we are super proud and happy to have him in the Red Bull KTM factory team. Now with Brad and Miguel, we just reunite our dream team.
Let me reach out to the guys.
Hey boss, how's it going?
Hello Mike, hello Brad, how are you guys doing?
Hey boys, Miguel, welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm very excited to join you guys and looking forward to start 2021.
Hey Miguel, so finally we're back, we're teammates again, bud. After Moto2, Moto3, Moto2 and now in the Premier class again, so it will definitely be a pretty cool story.
Finally we are together again, Brad, and I'm very excited to share the box with you and to push each other to get more wins.
Hey boys, how was your winter break back home in South Africa and in Portugal?
Yeah Mike, for sure, it was a hell of a year 2020, and it was so good to actually finish off in quite a good way, go have the off season. Luckily the weather's been good at home, so it's been perfect to do a lot of cycling, a lot of motocross, and yeah, so far so good, but it's definitely time to come back to Europe.
Winter break was maybe too long after finishing on a high for me. I definitely wanted to get 21 started straight away. But I had two amazing years with TECH3 team. The hype now in MotoGP in Portugal is huge, especially with the last win. So I just want to get 2021 started and try to do a good job.
Okay boys, let's start the season. I'm really looking forward to see you guys on our bike.
Okay guys, thank you for having me. See you very soon on track.
Awesome, I look forward to seeing you guys all soon.
Hey Hervé, bonjour, ça va?
Hey Pete, good to see you.
Yeah, there is something coming up now, huh?
Of course, Pete, this will be the first time we will represent a manufacturer as a MotoGP racing team. We want to do even better in 2021.
We are really proud to have you as a partner, Hervé. Since you joined KTM in 2019, you gave our project a huge boost. It has been a great success story for TECH3 and KTM. I'm really curious what we can achieve now together in 21.
Yes, Pete, we have a very strong package. We have a great bike. We have a great riders lineup. We have a super good team, and we just can't wait to show the world our new colors. Let me get in touch with my riders. Hey Danilo, my friend.
Happy to see you, Hervé.
You look good in KTM colors.
Yeah, thank you very much. This shirt fits perfectly to me.
I want you to understand that you're a great asset to our KTM project. Right now, we are going to be in our 3rd year together with KTM, and honestly, I believe you can really make the difference on our bike.
Yes, it's a really great opportunity for me, and I'm really looking forward to ride the bike and be fast.
But you know KTM bikes already from your training, right?
Yes, KTM is a big manufacturer also for off-road bike, and I'm a big fan of all off-road categories, so I use a lot KTM already in the past with the motocross and the enduro bike.
Hello Hervé, hello Danilo, all good?
Hey, bonjour Iker. I just want to tell you, you're not a rookie anymore. I'm quite sure with all what you learned in 2020, you're going to be a lot stronger in 2021. And don't forget that with Danilo, you will have a very experienced teammate next to you.
Hi Danilo, it's great to have in the team.
Hola Iker,
I know I learned a lot about you because you are a top rider. You win some races in the MotoGP class, so you are a very fast rider, and I know I can to learn and to improve my riding style with this bike.
For sure, I am very happy to share my experience with you, and I think we can be both fast. You are already very fast, so very looking forward to join the team with you.
Iker, as you know, as we all know, MotoGP grid is more competitive than ever. But still, I believe that with what you learned last year and how you work with the team, you will be able to take advantage of everything in 2021 to show us the real Iker.
Yes, I worked very hard this winter. I know last year I struggled a little bit, but for this I learned a lot, so I tried to work very hard on the physical, the mentally to stay ready. So I want to jump on the bike and to go fast.
Hey guys, stop talking. Now we go racing.